Let's look at another place that you can send this matrix, as they like to call it, to see the video. We're going to create now, by double clicking in blank space again, an object, and we're going to create something called jit.window. Okay, as soon as you release on creating jit.window, up pops this window here in front of everything. If we click back in the patch, it will actually go behind again, and we can hook up this the outlet of our jit.qt.movie to the inlet of our jit.window, and if we could see the window, it would be showing us the video. We could look under the window menu, which is kind of hidden from view from you, and we'll see under the window menu there's something which has the letter U with some ridiculously large number. That's going to be different depending on who's using it or how many windows have been created. And if we just click that, that'll bring that window to the front. So we have this now playing in an external window or something outside the patch itself, which can be very useful, especially if you want to do anything projecting your image on a screen or doing something instead of people seeing your whole world, they can just see the video playback. I'm going to full screen this, and the fastest way I know of creating a full screen on this jit.window, first I pull up the help for the jit.window by holding down the Option key on my Mac or Alt key on the PC to bring up, when I click on the jit.window, holding down that Alt or Option key brings up the help for jit.window. The thing I'm particularly interested in right now, there's a lot of stuff here again. The thing I'm interested in is right here where it says P escape full screen. This is a sub-patcher, is what the P stands for. And if we unlock this window, which again, if we just click in this blank space with the command on a Mac or control on a PC, and just select that P escape full screen with our mouse and hit Command C or Control C, which is standard copy command in just about every piece of software. So we're copying this patcher here, then we can close this help window and that help patch and go back to our own patch, just make sure it's unlocked and click anywhere in the blank area, it's blank space, and hit Command V or Control V if you're on a PC, and that should paste now what we copied from the help patch. Now if we hook up the outlet of this thing that says P-esque full screen to the inlet of the jit.window, and now if we hit the escape key on our computer keyboards, we're going to bring up that video in full screen. Wow, huge. Of course you can't see the entire thing. You hit escape to get it back to its normal size again. Let's have a really quick look at what's inside this P escape full screen by double clicking that patcher when it's locked, when your parent patcher is locked, and this will show us now what's inside this thing called a sub-patcher. Sub-patchers are particularly useful for hiding parts of your patcher when they start getting really big and out of hand, like we noticed that help patch was. We double click that sub-patcher, and this is something we can edit individually from the parent patcher, as it's called, the main one that we're using. And we'll see inside here we have a key object which is outputting the ASCII codes. If we mouse over that outlet there, the ASCII code of the key pressed, and it happens to be that the ASCII code 27 is the escape key, and that toggles this toggle here to create full screen, either 1 or 0. We're going to get into this using this key object in our next tutorial, and until then I suppose you can watch this basketball player keep bouncing that basketball off into the distance for pretty much the rest of the year. Alright, that concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.